In this guide, we will show you in detail how to properly delete your YouTube channel, step by step. Before we begin, it's important to note that this process is irreversible and all of your video content, comments and data will be lost. Make sure you are certain about your decision before proceeding. Now, let's move on to the steps. For deleting your YouTube channel, instead of going directly into the YouTube app and navigating through all the menus, you can quickly and easily access the page where you can delete your channel, and I will show you how to do it. First, open a web browser and enter YouTube Advanced Account Settings. In the search, the first link you see should say, "Sign in to continue to YouTube." It may not provide details about what will happen, but simply tap on that link. The key is that you will first need to log into your YouTube account. You should confirm that you have access to that account and sign in. Then in the upper right corner, check if it's the profile icon of the channel you want to delete. Once you've done that, at the very bottom of the page, it should say Delete Channel. It's important to note that deleting a YouTube channel will not close your Google account. If you are ready, just click on the Delete Channel button. After that, you will go to the page for removing content from YouTube. You can choose to hide your channel, or if you want to permanently delete your channel, simply follow this process. Check both options and click on Delete My Channel or My Content at the bottom of the page. This will completely remove that channel from your Google account. Please note that you will still have access to your Google account, but it will no longer be associated with your YouTube channel. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below.